What's up, everybody? It's your boy Mojo, aka Sugar Daddy, and welcome to a brand new episode of SHOEGR Academy. So somebody tried to expose us. They said this sneaker was not dirty enough. Honestly, even then, they weren't new. But since that video has been over a year now, you can be confident they are not new. And we have not cleaned them for few months now. You can see कितने गंदे हो रखे हैं जूते from top to bottom, and you know it. We're too legit to quit, so let's get it started. Before we get started, I am going to keep the left shoe ताकि हम check करें कि actually में ये कितने गंदे थे, and we're gonna be working on the right shoe. Let's do it. Before getting started, take out the laces. You can see even the laces have seen better days. But don't worry, we will clean them as well. We need to make sure कि हम अपने sneaker की shape maintain करें. So for that, we're going to be using our Shape It. There you go. We are going to dry brush it first because there is a lot of dust and a lot of grime that can just come out with the dry brush only. And for that, we will be using soft brush. Dry brushing हो गई है. And you can see, I don't know what is this. Literally it is cement or what, I don't have any clue. You can see the shoe is little damaged from here. There is little damage on the suede part as well. Mids के ऊपर का जितना भी suede है वो लग रहा है कि जैसे material ही खत्म हो चुका है. So Ultimate Kit won't be able to fix the damages, but we can clean them and bring them back to life and see how many more steps it can take. We will take our collapsible bowl. Boom! Then we take some water, and then we will take the cleaning solution, only 3 squirts. So we will take the soft brush and we're going to be working on the uppers. I think the uppers are good. Only the tongue is left now. Tongue के ऊपर थोड़ा सा extra effort लगाते हैं. Let's see if the soft brush can clean it. If it does not, then we will move to the medium as well. Wow. Alright. Some parts are still left. Let's work on that as well. Let's get down to the midsoles. And for the midsoles, we're going to be using our favorite friend, the medium brush. We're going to be dipping it again and get it started. Just for this video, we got the shoe dirty. But भाई और बहनों, अगर तुम इतने गंदे कर रहे हो ना जूते, तुम्हारे ऊपर पाप है. You should not do this. You gotta keep your sneakers clean, man. Alright. I can see the shoe is coming back to life. There's a lot of spaces that we will have to redo because एक बारी में ये जूता साफ नहीं होने वाला. दुनिया भर का गंदा है इसके ऊपर. But before that, we're gonna go to the outsoles. So for the outsoles, we're gonna go and use our best and the best friend, the hard brush. these outsoles, they're very dirty. They got gober, they got mud, they got all kind of that dirt, that wriggly, that raggedy, that everything over there. Alright guys, let's try to work on it from the inside as well. For that I'll remove the shape it. And for this we will be using the soft brush only. Let's use this. Shit. I'll use a medium brush for this because there are little hard stains on it. अब इसको थोड़ा सा ड्राई होने देते हैं and अपने शू पे दोबारा से काम करते हैं because they were very dirty. Use the shape it again. And I think there are a few spots that are not being cleaned just with the medium brush. So since इसके mids और outsoles का material same है, we can also use hard brush, but you have to be very careful because इसके ऊपर थोड़ा suede material है and you don't want to mess it up. So you have to be very precise with your mids and hard brush. I would like to request you guys, do not make your shoe come to this stage or a state, anything. You guys should clean them regularly because इन्हें साफ करने में फिर बहुत टाइम भी लगेगा और बहुत मेहनत भी लगेगी. And in this fast life, fast world, you don't have it. So make sure you clean them regularly. We should never forget about the laces. We're going to dip it inside and मुझे इस पे थोड़ा brush भी मारना पड़ेगा because there is a lot of hard stains जो सिर्फ रगड़ के नहीं साफ होंगे, brush से साफ होंगे. So let's bring the bow, put it inside. Alright, it's time to rinse it. थोड़ा brush भी लगाना पड़ेगा इसके ऊपर. We will use the soft brush. Yeah, you can see this. The shoe is pretty clean and I would show you the difference between what it was and what it is. Look at the difference. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the whole cleaning process, and if you want to clean your dirty sneakers or shoes, you can always trust on the SHOEGR Ultimate Kit. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Also, do not forget to love your shoes. And let's go!